Welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about content creation. Content creation involves coming up with beautiful ideas for your content and using easy tools to make sure that they're ready for distribution. Now, there is one thing you have to have in mind when creating your content. It has to be relevant to the needs of your audience, and it has to be catchy. It has to be catchy because your audience needs to know whether or not the content you are just shown to them is worth their time or not. Now, when you come across billboards or newspapers, they are usually words that appeal to you on citing them. These are what we call subject lines. When you're creating content for your social media, the subject line is actually also very important, just like the newspaper or the billboard that you come across every day. Now, what is your subject line? The subject line is the first thing that your audience see when they come across your content, and is usually in form of a title or a caption. Now, when your audience sees your subject line, they can tell whether or not your content is relevant to their needs, whether it solves a problem for them or not, or whether it's worth their time or it's even worth looking into at all. Now, how do you create an effective subject line? It's quite easy. You need to have your modifier or your keyword. Now, your keyword can be a word, just one word, or a phrase. Your modifier can also be a word or a phrase. Here, I'll give you an example. How to get customers online. Your modifier here is how to, and your keyword is get customers online. Your keyword is the focus of the message you're trying to pass. And then your modifier now defines how you want to pass that message. Now, we have different types of modifier. We have the how to, which is reflected in the example that I just gave, how to get customers online. Then you have numbers. Numbers actually help your audience to predict the length of your content, and they can sure know whether they can scan through it or not as quickly as possible. So an example would be 3 ways to get customers online. Then you have the modifier what. What are the secrets to getting customers online? Another modifier you can have is why, which gives a reason. Why don't you get customers online? That's another example. And then you can tailor your content to fit location too. How to get customers online in Nigeria. And the last one you have is the date. How to get customers in Nigeria in 2022. Now, all of these modifiers are quite important to your subject line. Now, you can mix 1 or 2 modifiers to get a beautiful subject line. For instance, you can have 3 ways to get customers online in Nigeria in 2022. Now, let's proceed with content creation tools. As a content marketer, you need to have an idea of some graphic design tools and video editing tools. Now, one of the graphic design tools that you can use is Canva. You can also look into flyer makers. And for video editing, you can look into InShot and CapCut. And don't worry, in subsequent videos, we're going to be looking into how to use these tools that I've just mentioned, Canva, InShot, CapCut, and so many other ones to help your content marketing career. And in our next video, we're going to be looking at how to distribute all of this content that you've planned, strategized, and created. See you in the next video.